The purpose of this channel is to make or to move the dying science of economics to become a living science. Economics has now become dead because it has no relevance to know how the economies in 21st century are moving and in what directions they are taking the humanity and the planet on which humanity is living and prospering. Every country requires to know the direction in which the economy is moving and how to change the direction of the economy of the country in the way desired by the state for the economy. Let us understand the process in which economies in 21st century move from a dying science to become a living science. Let us see what economics is and what makes it lifeless. Economics is a science to explain how a country prospers. Economics discovered that it is economy that makes the country to prosper. Economics discovered that if economy works properly, then only it can make a country to prosper. Economics thinks that wealth of nation is the indicator of how prosperous a country is. Wealth of nation is defined as the market value of goods and services produced in the country. Goods and services, when exchanged in markets, they become national income. Economics, therefore, is a science that tells only how economy creates national income, and that is the only indicator that a country could know how prosperous it is. This is a very incomplete approach or incomplete philosophy to know economy of a country. Let us understand what is economy. Economy is that part of the country where people produce goods and services in self-interest. People decide what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. These people employ labor and capital to produce goods and services to make income. Access to capital makes people to hire labor in producing goods and services. Growth in capital makes country to increase employment of human resources, which are called in economics as labor. Economy makes national income and full employment in the country. That is the objective of economics to know. And we will have to carefully understand that how this basis, this philosophy of economics is really needed for humanity and needed for the planet to where the humanity has to survive. That is all economics is about. There is nothing beyond what I have just explained. There is nothing in the science of economics that we can know about the economy or about the prosperity of a country. That is why I am calling it a dead science, a science that has no relevance to know how economy is moving and how a country is getting prosperous. National income and full employment lost its relevance as indicator of national prosperity. Economics in every country is moving in directions that is hurting humanity and hurting planet, making planet sick. Incidence of hunger and poverty keeps growing in every country all over the world. Economics makes economy to exploit people and concentrate the wealth in few hands. And keep thinking, and you will find that so many problems that economies are creating in every country. Hunger, poverty, exploitation, concentration of wealth are few problems to be mentioned that economics creates in by telling the methodology how to understand economy. Increasing economic problems create political rest, but economics is not concerned about it. And this is the brief background in which we are focusing that let us reconsider economics, how economics should explain economy, and how should science identify the problems that every country is facing in terms of its economy.